Ahlan wa sahlan. Hello and welcome to all the managers and engineers out there in the kingdom's industrial sector. We want to talk about something that, we all know it's there, but maybe we don't talk about it enough. It's that one thing that can quietly just destroy your targets, your budgets, and all of your timelines. So, let me ask you a question. Just think about it for a second. What is the single most expensive sound you can possibly hear inside your plant or your facility? I can tell you, it's not the sound of a new machine, and it's not a busy production line. No, it's this, the sound of nothing, that complete silence. Because when the machines stop running when you don't expect them to, that's the moment the real costs start to pile up. That silence, Yani, that is where the expensive problems begin. And that's where we come in. We are AskA Solution. And, we understand this problem better than anyone. Our whole purpose, our entire mission, is to prevent that costly silence and to make sure the industry right here in Saudi Arabia keeps moving, keeps producing, and keeps succeeding. Okay, so let's really dive into this. What does that silence actually cost you? It's so much more than just a simple repair bill. Voila, the true cost, it goes much, much deeper than you might think. It's like a huge ripple effect. It just cascades through the whole operation. Of course, it starts with a direct financial loss, but then, boom, it hits your project schedules and your deadlines. Your reputation with your clients, it takes a serious hit. And your team, they feel the stress, and morale just goes down. You've got wasted raw materials just sitting there, and on top of all that, you end up paying these crazy premium prices for emergency repairs. It's a massive problem. Look, think of it like this, like dominoes. It all starts with one small thing. A single component fails. But that little failure triggers the next domino. The entire production line just stops. Then the next one falls. Your project timelines are all pushed back. And finally, the last and maybe the most important domino, your client's trust in you. It starts to weaken. It's a chain reaction, Tayyip, khalas with the problems. I think we've talked enough about the pain. Now, let's talk about the solution. Let's talk about how we at AskA Solution make sure this whole domino effect never even gets a chance to start. You see, our whole philosophy at AskA Solution is about making a fundamental shift. We help you move away from the old reactive way, Yani, waiting for things to break, the constant firefighting, the cost you can never predict, and embrace the AskA way. It's a proactive partnership. We work to prevent failures, to manage your assets strategically, to give you stable, predictable budgets, and really, to deliver peace of mind with peak efficiency. So, how do we do it? Well, our first proactive strategy is what we call tailored automation. Now, this isn't about just going out and buying some new machines. No, it's about making your existing systems smarter, more reliable, and much more efficient for your specific needs. And this is the crucial point. We don't just sell you some standard equipment off a shelf. We partner with you. For example, maybe you have a bottling plant. We could help refine your conveyor system to get a 15% speed increase. Or if you're a steel fabricator, it might be a completely new robotic strategy for welding. It's all about a fully customized solution designed to maximize your unique production potential. Okay, so once your systems are optimized, we put you in complete control. We're experts in industrial control systems. We're talking about PLC and SCADA systems. This basically gives you the power and, very importantly, the visibility to manage your entire operation right from a central point. Now, this is where you truly get ahead of the problems. With a centralized command system, you get access to real-time data. This means you can make smarter, faster decisions. You enhance your operational safety, you improve precision, and you get the visibility you need to see a potential issue hours, maybe even days, before it has a chance to shut you down. Next up, we look at integrating robotics. For many of our partners, this is the real key to gaining a serious competitive edge. It's all about leveraging the power of modern robotics for incredible speed, quality control, and a level of precision that, you just can't achieve manually. Yani, we help you identify and automate the right tasks, the strenuous ones, the repetitive ones. And this doesn't just boost your production speed and enhance quality, it also frees up your most valuable asset, your skilled people, so they can focus on the complex jobs that they do best. All right, but all this advanced technology, it needs to be protected. And that brings us to a core part of our promise to you, our preventative maintenance programs. Now, this is not just a repair service. No, this is a strategic approach to managing and protecting your most critical industrial assets. This is exactly how we stop that domino effect we talked about earlier. We create customized service plans for your specific machinery. This proactive care extends the life of your equipment, and most importantly, it transforms those unpredictable, expensive emergency repairs into manageable, scheduled service. It really is the foundation of reliable production. And finally, being proactive also means being smart about all your costs. And energy is a huge one that is often overlooked. Our energy efficiency audits are designed specifically to find those hidden costs and turn them into real savings. This is a simple, but believe me, a very powerful way we find hidden savings for our partners. We do a really deep analysis of your energy consumption, find every single point of waste, and give you practical, actionable solutions to lower your costs and reduce your carbon footprint. Honestly, you will be surprised by how much you can actually save. So, if our listeners, the managers and engineers, remember only one thing about what we do at AskA Solution, what is it? Well, it's this philosophy that drives everything we do. We believe your business is just too important to be disrupted by emergencies that could have been prevented. Our goal is simple. We turn unpredictable emergency repairs into manageable, scheduled service. That's it. That's how you get peace of mind and consistent, reliable production. So you see, there is a clear path away from all this costly downtime and towards peak efficiency. It's a path away from reacting to problems and towards proactively preventing them. And we at AskA Solution, we are here to walk that path with you every step of the way. We really want to show you how this whole proactive approach can be applied specifically to your facility, your unique challenges, and your goals. So we'd like to make a special offer. When you contact us, just mention you saw this explainer and we will provide a completely free, no-obligation consultation. The next step is very easy. You can send us an email at sales@askasolution.com or visit our website at askasolution.com, or you can just give us a call. The number is right there on your screen. Let's start the conversation about how we can bring predictability and peak performance to your operations. From all of us here at AskA Solution, thank you so much for your time. Let's keep your business moving forward.